Westermans here with a set of bending rolls, model 3 HCD. Length is 2 meters 525. Rolling thickness is 19 millimeter. As you can see from these, they are old but obviously very clean and tidy. Machine weighs approximately about 7 ton. More details are available on Westermans.com. Obviously all functioning as it should do. Machine is obviously 3-phase and running from a 32 amp supply at present. Like I say, more details available on Westermans.com, plus other machine tools and engineering equipment, welding equipment, plasma machines, sub-arc, and much more. If you don't see it on the website, please ask, because the chances are we either have it doing or it's not listed. Thank you for looking.